गाइस आपने मेरा थोड़ा सा आज आपको एक इन्वेस्टिंग का बेसिक सा प्रिंसिपल बताता हूँ, ठीक है। सो आई डोंट नो, you know how people try to time the bottom or the top, right? They wanna buy it at the bottom and then sell it at the top. Actually, in my opinion, that is not the right thing. You should be able to basically time the ascent or descent of the market. You should, if you know market will increase by 10% this year, any market, stock market, real estate market, crypto, because you can always leverage it and make a lot of gain. So idea is not to time the bottom or the top. Idea is to ensure that you can time the ascent or the descent, right? That the market will go up tomorrow, market will go up in the next 1 year. If you are 100% sure the market will go up in the next 1 year, you can make a lot of money, and that's what matters. That's what matters. And for descent also, if you know the market is going to go down this year, then you can bet on that and you can make good money. So timing the top or bottom is not important. Whether you bought a share at $5 and sold it at 1,000 is not important. If you know, because you won't be able to, like, people tend to get anxious that, oh, I didn't time the bottom, I didn't time the top. But more important thing is to be able to time the ascent and descent. And I'm going to be talking about a strategy, stock investment strategy, in which the key factor is, can you determine a stock which will definitely go up by 6%? It won't go down. It can go down up to 10 to 15%, but then eventually it will go up from today's value by 6%. Can you determine such stocks? Is it possible? So the point is, so if you can do that, which is again timing the ascent, you should know that it will definitely go up. Whether it goes down by 10%, but it will definitely go up from now by 6%, that is from the bottom by about 17-18%. Then you can use this, which is pretty easy, much easier than you think. That's what I'm saying. Ascent and descent are more important than timing the bottom or the top. That share's bottom could be somewhere else. It may not be top when you sell it. You may not hit the top. You may not time the top. But if you know the market is going to go up by 6%, for this share is going to go up by 6%, then that can be extremely useful for the strategy that I'm going to be talking about. And in general also, this is really important, guys. Ascent and descent are more important. Timing the ascent and descent are more important than timing the top or bottom. Just a thing in investing.